Namaste India, my name is Sam and you're watching the brand new fresh episode of Art and Fun with Sam, and I hope you all are safe at home. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. I have this old Dinshaw's ice cream cup in my hand, you can see, and in this episode we are going to create a very beautiful Warli artwork on these two Dinshaw's ice cream cup. You can see on the screen very clearly I have these two ice cream cup in my hand, and we are going to create a very beautiful artwork on it. So please watch the video till the end, quickly hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and don't forget to comment your feedback. I have this two ice cream cup on my board, and let's create a very beautiful artwork on this. We are going to create a very beautiful artwork on these two ice cream cup with the help of this oil paint. I have this oil paint available, so I am using oil paint. You can use any color that you want, but I will suggest you should not use the poster colors. Now let's choose the brushes for our artwork, and you can see this is the brush that I used in my previous episode of Art and Fun with Sam. If you have not watched the previous episode, click on that I button and you will watch the previous episode of Art and Fun with Sam. And in this, for this episode, we are using the pointed one number brush for our artwork. So we have selected the brush. Let's keep the aside, and we have brush selected. We have two ice cream cups, we have the paint selected, and without wasting any time, let's do a very beautiful artwork on this two ice cream cup. I have oil paint in my hand and I have a stick, and from this stick I am stirring the oil paint. The reason behind that is I have added a turpentine in it, and the turpentine comes off the surface of the oil paint. That's why I have a stick of stirring for stirring the oil paint. And now without wasting any time, let's start the video. And now you can see, guys, our first cup is ready. Let's open the cap and let's keep this cap aside, but we have to use this cap also after some time. And you can see the upper I have drawn the border, and the lower I have drawn the Warli art, and the gap is, you can see, it's the design point of view of the cup that I have drawn, and you can see it clearly. And now we have the first cup that is fully ready. We will keep it aside, and let's start with the second cup. Take me in my hand. I have the second cup in my hand, and let's open the cap. And till now we not required the cap, but we required the cap. You have to keep the cap safely with you. This is the second, and now let's start. The artwork on the second cup is not ready yet, but is about to complete. In just seconds we will complete it. What I have done in this is that I have made it a lower border and as well as the upper border, and in the middle portion I have made a wire layout with some simple single line designs on it. A beautiful combination of wire layout and single line design. And in just seconds we have completed the second cup also. You can see it clearly. Both I have done the upper border, lower border, and the middle portion of simple one line design plus wire layout. You can see it clearly. The two men are playing dole and the others are dancing, and some combinations of single line designs. You can see it on clearly. And now let's take overview of both the ice cream cup that we have created in the video, and we have this. You can see it clearly. Until now you have not liked this video, so what are you doing, guys? Quickly hit that like button, break that like button, burn that like button, and don't forget to press that bell icon to be updated and to see more videos like this. Quickly hit that subscribe button to see more videos, more episodes of Art and Fun with Sam. We have the two ice cream cup that we have created in this video in my hand. Let's convert these two ice cream cup into a very beautiful and interesting thing. Now we are going to convert this very beautiful Warli ice cream cup into a very beautiful Warli light. With the help of this upper cap of the ice cream cup, at the starting we kept it aside, but now we are using this, and now the first main thing that we require to convert is a light. I am using a transparent light. Let me show you. I will open the box and you will see it's a normal transparent light. You can see it's a normal transparent light that I am using, but I will suggest you that you should use a LED light, and the reason behind that is this transparent light emits high heat which can damage the ice cream cup, or 20 to 15% chances of the ice cream cup to melt it down. And now the second thing is that you must check the light whether it is on or off. As we are now checking the light, it's on, it's completely okay. And now let's keep the board aside, and we have the transparent light with us. And now we will take the diameter of this transparent light and we will cut a circle of this diameter of a light on the upper cap of the ice cream cup. Let me show you with the help of this divider. This divider is available in your compass box, but you don't know how to use it. Now we are using this divider. It's used to measure the diameter, and I'm using this divider to measure the diameter of the light, and I have measured it. And now with the help of this scale, I have this scale, we will measure the diameter. You will be not able to see clearly, but let me tell you that its diameter is 2.8. It's 2.8 centimeter. It's confirmed it's 2.8 centimeters. And now we will mark a circle on the cap of the ice cream cup of diameter 2.8. First we have to take the radius. It's that is 1.4, means diameter divided by 2, it's 1.4. We will mark a circle of 1.4 radius on the upper cap. Let me take on the scale 1.4. I am taking 1.4 radius, and let's first I am making a simple circle with the help of pencil on the cap. Let me take a center point and I just making a circle on the upper cap. And after this done, I will show you how it's done. And now with the help of this divider, we will dark it. You can see the circle that I have drawn with the help of pencil, and now with the help of divider we will dark it. While using divider, I am applying pressure to the cap so that it will help us to cut the circle easily with the help of the cutter. That's why let me mark the circle with the help of this divider on the plate, and it's done. We have marked the circle. You are able to see it. Now we have marked the circle on the cap, and now with the help of this cutter we will cut this. And while using cutter, safety must be first. You must take the precautions while cutting the circle, that it should not harm you. And now let's cut the cap of the ice cream cup. and I have cut it, and I have also fixed the light with the help of this Fevikwik. And let me show you the Fevikwik I have used, and this is the Fevikwik, and with the help of Fevikwik I have applied the Fevikwik on the edges of the light and fix it on the cap of the ice cream cup. And similarly we have the two cap of the ice cream cup. Let me show you and fix it with the and I have this cup. I have cutted the edges as the light is not fitting in the ice cream cup, that's why I have cutted the edges. But if you take a medium size LED light, you don't need to cut the edges, it directly fits in the ice cream cup. And let me show you fix it, and it will take some time, and it's fixed it, and our Warli light is ready. You can see it clearly, our Warli light is ready. And now let's cut the edges of the second cup, and the second one will be also quickly in seconds it will be ready. Now let's cut the edges, and again while using cutter, precautions must be taken, safety first. Let me slightly, I am cutting the edges. Let me tell you one thing, while cutting the edges you must not cut the thread of the ice cream cup, as due to thread the cap is locked with the ice cream cup. And now let's take the light and fit it on the ice cream cup. As you can see, now fitted. Our second cup is also ready, and now let's check our Warli light, and let's check it, and it's on. And let me show you the Warli light from the different angle. And now guys, finally our Warli light is ready. Not ended guys, we are going to do something very interesting with this two Warli light, but in our upcoming episode. So quickly hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to press that bell icon to be updated.